Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Zee5 application on your PC. First of all, to download Zee5 application, you need to download Web Catalog application. To do this, open your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in webcatalog.io and click on Enter. Here, you can see download button at the middle of your screen. Click on it. Now, if you are using Windows, you need to click on this button. And if you are a Mac user, click on this link, and a Linux user, click on this link here. After clicking on the download button, you will get a setup file. Click on the setup file and your download will be started. After the installation is completed, you will find a Web Catalog application on your device. Simply click on it and open it. Now, at the search bar, you need to type in the name of your application, which is Zee5. Here you can see your application. Click on it and click on Install button. Here, the download may take some time depending on internet speed. After the download is completed, you can click on Open button to use the application. So, that is how you can download Zee5 application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.